4. Don't we gotta do something about 4?
Yeah, something about the bikes you don't finish.
Oh, this is part 4 of the GSX-R 1000 build. Let's get inside the warehouse. If you're new here to the channel and you haven't seen my 4 videos that I've already done with this bike, we have part 1, 2, and 3, and then the video of me picking this bike up. I really encourage you to go check those videos out before watching this, because the bike's gonna be completely finished in this video, and we're gonna have some sick rollers at the end of it. Okay, but in all reality, guys, we need to sit down and talk about something before we can get to working on this bike. Yo, so I'm editing right now and I'm realizing I didn't really transition on what I'm gonna talk about. So I haven't been uploading as much on the channel because something happened, and that's what I'm about to talk about right here. Is this gonna be the first time I get personal with the YouTube? I fucked up bad. I went up north to go do a favor for a friend, and I rented a truck from a rental company, brand new truck, it's a 2020 F-150, and I'm driving up north doing this favor. I was supposed to do quite the drive, and I'm in Ohio. I hit ice on the highway at like 3 in the morning. I'm from Florida here. I've never been around ice before, so I had cruise control on, the ABS came on, I hit the brakes, next thing you know, truck's sliding sideways down the highway. I hit a guardrail, and if I would've went over the guardrail, I would've died. Then I'm stuck in the middle of nowhere, Ohio, mad depressed because I know I'm liable for all this shit. I just know, like, I know I wasn't covered. I didn't take the insurance through a rental company, and then I didn't have collision on my policy, and I just know, like, I get waxed just trying to get out of there, trying to get like a ticket for a plane, get waxed. Like the whole trip ended up being so expensive. Get back here, channel just like, you know, I just kind of haven't been in the right mindset after that happened, because like the L I have taken is like astronomical for like my position. I can't really explain like everything like on the internet because, you know, some sketchy things, you know, just can't talk about them. Okay guys, enough of feelings. We need to talk about this bike. So it looks like it's complete, but there is quite a few little things that need to be done to it. There's no oil in it right now. I need to do an oil change on it. You can see we don't have the tank, but we do have the nice color match tank right there. And Eric painted on these lines and everything, so everything should line up pretty good and it will look pretty minty. We have to bleed the front brake lines, remove that brake line, put on the shorter brake line because this had a extended swing arm on it. Put a chain on it because there's no chain at the moment, but I do have a brand new one right there. We got to put the new levers on it because these are just a little scratched up. I would leave them if they weren't, because those are kind of like the exact same ones that I run. And yeah, that's about it. We need to put the front cowl on the tank, and then I'm gonna insert the fuel module into the bottom of the tank. All right, we got the tank on there. It's all mounted up. I also got this front fender all secured. Now it's time to put the chain on it. Ooh. Also got the new little rear brake line on there. She's all dialed in right now. I really didn't want to show, like, I don't know, even film just me bleeding the brake lines. There's really no point in it. All the brake lines are good to go. I got oil in the engine. See right there. We got oil in the engine. Chains dialed. Clutch is good. And we're good to get some rollers now. I'm gonna roll this thing outside, wash it up. All right, this is the part of the video you guys all been waiting for. It's time to show the finished product on the road. I want to shoot maybe the beginning. No. For the people wondering, we're at the hat phase in the mullet season right now. We got a solid amount of flow going, and I've gotten a little skeptical on wanting to cut it off, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Should we keep growing this thing out, or is the season over? Hey, don't forget, like and subscribe. New videos every Monday, but I haven't been putting them out every Monday, so hope you guys enjoy the video.